Hey y'all, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show y'all how to change the oil on my motorcycle. It needs an oil change, and I've got some camping trips planned on the motorcycle. So, before I go off and do some motorcycle camping trips, oil needs to be changed. Let's get to it. So we're going to change the oil filter. Oil filter is located right here in this housing. It's going to take a 5mm Allen wrench. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I've got a oil drip pan underneath, catch any excess oil falls out as I drop my wrench. And there's my oil filter. It just sits in there. Let me grab the other one. Right here. It's a Canon. And that's gonna sit in like that. Just like that. And once I put the housing back on, it'll sit in there. Make sure you don't lose this oil ring right here. Your filter does not come with a new one, so I'll just reuse it. Sit in just like that. Probably should get a new one. I'll probably do that next oil change. Where's my wrench? Again, you don't want this too tight. So what I'm going to do is get them all snug on there. And then I'll go back and do a quick small turn just to make sure they're on there. Nothing too tight. There we go. Filter has been changed. Alright, so we're going to drain the oil out of the motor. I've got a pot here because my oil catcher won't fit underneath the bike. Right here is my oil drain. It's a 14mm wrench. should be 2 quarts. Alright, so I put the drain screw back in. All I did was snug it like I did the cover bolts. So here's the drain, or not the drain, but the fill plug. So we're just going to remove that. Set that over here so we don't lose it. Our funnel. And this takes 2 quarts of 10W40 4-stroke motorcycle oil. That's what we're going to put in. Nummy, nummy, nummy. There's 1 quart. Second quart. Gets in there. Alright, we're gonna put that on our drain pan over here. We're gonna put our plug back in. Nice and snug. There we go. Oil has been changed. If you want to see the build that I did on this motorcycle, you can look in the descriptions, and I'll link the build video. It's a slideshow because I didn't video any of it. It was just pictures throughout the build, but it was a slideshow. I'll put that in the description down below. Thanks for joining me for the video. See y'all later.